Hello cyclists and fitness enthusiasts.
Today we are on a quest to find the ultimate hydration companion for your biking adventures, the best bicycle water bottle. Whether you are conquering trails or cruising through the city, staying hydrated is key. In this video, we'll unveil our top picks that strike the perfect balance between design, functionality, and durability. Before we jump into this refreshing journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our gear guides.
Let's quench our thirst for the best bicycle water bottles.
At the first position of our list, we have the LARQ Bottl self-cleaning and insulated stainless steel water bottle. When it comes to staying hydrated on the go, the LARQ Bottl takes the lead with its innovative features. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this self-cleaning water bottle not only keeps your beverage at the perfect temperature but also ensures a germ-free drinking experience. The standout feature is the UVC LED technology embedded in the cap, capable of purifying both the water and the bottle itself. With a simple touch of a button, the LARQ Bottl activates a 60-second cleaning cycle, eliminating 99.99% of harmful bacteria and viruses. No more worrying about odors or mold buildup. Beyond its cleaning prowess, this bottle excels in insulation. Whether you prefer icy cold or piping hot drinks, the double-wall vacuum insulation maintains the desired temperature for extended periods. The sleek design coupled with a durable construction makes it an ideal companion for any adventure. In conclusion, the LARQ Bottl is a game-changer for those who prioritize hygiene and convenience. It seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology with a stylish design, making it a must-have for anyone on the move. Next, at number 2 we have the CamelBak Podium Bike Water Bottle 21 ounce. Cyclists rejoice as the CamelBak Podium Bike Water Bottle brings a new level of functionality to your hydration routine. Designed with the needs of bikers in mind, this 21-ounce bottle offers a perfect blend of practicality and performance. The patented jet valve technology ensures a high flow rate, allowing for quick and efficient hydration without the need for fumble with caps or spouts. Squeeze the bottle, take a sip, and get back to conquering the trail. It's that simple. The self-sealing valve also prevents annoying spills even on the roughest terrains. Constructed from BPA-free, true-taste polypropylene, the bottle guarantees that your water tastes pure and fresh without any plastic aftertaste.
The ergonomic design fits snugly in most bottle cages, ensuring a secure and rattle-free ride.
For cyclists seeking a reliable and user-friendly hydration solution, the CamelBak Podium Bike Water Bottle is a top contender. Its thoughtful design and durable make it an essential accessory for every biking adventure. At number 3, we have the SPURCYCLE Ketchup Water Bottle 22 ounces. Elevate your hydration game with the SPURCYCLE Ketchup Water Bottle, a 22-ounce marvel that combines style and functionality. This thoughtfully designed bottle is more than just a vessel for your favorite drinks, it's a statement piece that stands out in a crowd. Crafted from premium materials, the SPURCYCLE water bottle boasts a sleek and minimalist design. The 22-ounce capacity strikes the perfect balance between portability and ample hydration, making it suitable for a range of activities, from workouts to daily commutes. The Ketchup water bottle features a secure and leak-proof cap, ensuring that your beverages stay put no matter how turbulent the journey. The wide mouth opening facilitates easy feeding and cleaning, while the ergonomic shape provides a comfortable grip. In summary, the SPURCYCLE Ketchup water bottle is a testament to the marriage of form and function. Whether you are a fitness enthusiast or a style-conscious individual, this bottle is a standout choice for those who appreciate quality, craftsmanship, and a touch of elegance. The number 4 position is held by Polar Bottl Breakaway Muck Insulated Mountain Bike Water Bottle. Are you an avid mountain biker in search of the perfect companion for your adventures? Look no further than the Polar Bottl Breakaway Muck Insulated Mountain Bike Water Bottle. This premium hydration solution has revolutionized the way I stay refreshed on the trails. Crafted with durability in mind, the Breakaway Muck bottle features a rugged design that can withstand the harshest conditions. The insulation technology keeps your beverage at the ideal temperature, whether you are facing scorching heat or chilly mountain air. The easy squeeze construction allows for quick and convenient hydration without compromising your grip on the handlebars. One standout feature is the mug guard cap, which shields the spout from dirt, mud, and debris, ensuring a clean sip every time. The high-flow valve facilitates effortless drinking, allowing you to stay focused on conquering challenging terrains.
With a generous capacity, this bottle ensures you stay hydrated throughout your entire ride.
Investing in the Polar Bottl Breakaway Muck is a game-changer for any serious mountain biker. Say goodbye to subpar hydration experiences and elevate your biking adventures with this insulated water bottle that goes the extra mile. At number 5, we have the Bottl Insulated Bike Water Bottle. For cyclists who demand peak performance from their gear, the Bottl Insulated Bike Water Bottle is a must-have accessory. This cutting-edge hydration solution seamlessly integrates into your cycling experience, providing unparalleled convenience and performance. Crafted with precision, the Bottl bottle boosts double-wall insulation that regulates the temperature of your beverage, keeping it refreshingly cool during intense rides. The sleek design fits seamlessly into most bottle cages, ensuring easy access while on the go. What sets this insulated bottle apart is its secure locking mechanism, preventing leaks and spills even during the most rigorous rides. The easy squeeze technology delivers a consistent flow, allowing you to stay hydrated without breaking your stride. The wide mouth opening simplifies refilling, making pit stops quick and efficient. Whether you are a seasoned cyclist or a casual rider, the Bottl Insulated Bike Water Bottle enhances your journey with its innovative features. Elevate your biking experience and stay at the top of your game with this premium hydration solution. The number 6 position is dominated by Polar Bottl Season Muck Mountain Bike Water Bottle. As a dedicated mountain biker, staying hydrated on the trails is paramount. The Polar Bottl Season Muck Mountain Bike Water Bottle proves to be an essential companion for any off-road adventure. Crafted with precision, its innovative design seamlessly integrates into your biking experience.
This bottle boasts a durable construction that can endure the toughest trails.
The muck cap ensures protection from dirt, dust, and other elements, maintaining the purity of your hydration. High-flow self-sealing surge valve delivers a quick and efficient sip, eliminating the hassle of stopping mid-ride. Beyond its functional design, the aesthetics of the Polar Bottl Season Muck are top-notch. The eye-catching graphics add a stylish touch to your biking gear. With a generous 24-ounce capacity, this bottle strikes a perfect balance between form and function. Whether you are a seasoned rider or just starting, the Polar Bottl Season Muck Mountain Bike Water Bottle is a game-changer. Elevate your biking experience with this exceptional companion that marries rugged durability with sleek design. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the Contigo AutoSeal Water Bottle 32-ounce Licorice. For those seeking a reliable and versatile water bottle, the Contigo AutoSeal Water Bottle in Licorice stands out as a stellar choice. This 32-ounce marvel combines functionality and convenience, making it an ideal companion for various activities. The AutoSeal technology sets this bottle apart, ensuring a spill-proof experience. Its one-handed operation allows you to sip on the go without any mess. The large capacity makes it perfect for long outings or intense workout sessions. Crafted with premium materials, the Licorice bottle exudes durability. The lead spout cover protects against germs and dirt, ensuring a clean and safe drinking experience. The sleek design adds a touch of sophistication to your hydration routine. In conclusion, the Contigo AutoSeal water bottle is a testament to innovation and practicality. It seamlessly integrates into your daily life, offering a reliable hydration solution with a touch of style. As we paddle to the end of our quest for the best bicycle water bottle, which one caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cycling gear insights.
See you in the next video.